All these are P. Let's go segment them. Now the first P, let's call this one H2 home, or no. What is first menu here? News. Let's call it news. The second P, contacts. The third P, about. You see, news, contacts, about. You see, about, contact, news. And I want to program it that if I click on news, you see, there is no file. It does not take me to anywhere. There is no file. Now, how can you now do it? Let me reopen this. Where's our file? Sample. Now, how can you now do it? That if I click on news, it will move me to news like this. It will show it like this. If I click on contacts, it will show like this. If I click on about, it will show like this. Here we go. So you are going to do it like this. If this is news, Abby, you are working on which file? We are working on sample. You can do it like this. News hash news hash contacts hash about. You can see. Now, if you click on this, it should take you to news up here. What will you do? Don't forget the name, news, contact, about. Yeah, where is the first one? This is news. So hash means ID, Abby. So I'm going to put ID here. ID news. So let's check it. Okay. So the first is news. Do it like this. You can see it opens it. It opens that news. So the second one should be contact. So if I click here, news. This is home. Okay, let's program home also. Hash home. So where do you want to put home? Let's put in our image here, ID home. Okay. So if I click here, home, news, contact, it means contact. We've not done that. ID, contacts, about, ID, about. Home, news, contact, about. You can see. So that is a simple way you can do navbar. Okay. Yeah, before the end of this episode, let's have what's called a valley. Valley. You know, in some websites, if you click on something, a button, a pop-up can come and it will have background, and the background will be transparent. The opacity will be there. That's it. Let me show you. Let's say button preview. Let's call it preview. Preview. So what do you want to preview? Let's write it like this. What I want to preview, I want to put inside div. pass. Let me call it preview. What I want to preview, or let me call it overlay. Let me call it overlay. So what will now be inside the content of that overlay? Let me just put a simple sentence there. A simple sentence, Lauren. Let's put it like this. So if you run this in your browser, it has no meaning. You can see. If you check, it conveys no meaning. Now let's try to write the code now. This is what we do in your CSS. Let's program value is class. So dot value like this. Let's put display. None. It should not display anything. None. Number 2, it should have background, or let me say it should have width of 100%, height 100%. As in, if what I want to preview comes, the thing should have width of 100, as in the overlay that it will bring should have width 100%, height 100%, and then this should not be able to scroll down. So position fixed. The background now will now be black. How we get black? With opacity. That's when you need RGB. Black is this. This is black. Then the kind of opacity, let me use opacity 6.1. Yes. So with this code, or let's remove it. With this little code, let's see what will happen. Wow, you can see how this is our text. You can see how the opacity occurs. Okay. Display none. How will it happen? You can see nothing. So if I click on this button, that's when I want the thing to come. What is that stuff? This overlay. Let me give it identity. Overlay. So if I click on this button now, that overlay should come. Well, how will I program this? Put on click document dot get elements. Sorry. Dot get elements by ID. What is the ID? Overlay. Dot style dot display. That time I should now display block. So let's check it. Wow. Okay, now this is our text, which is P. I want it to happen like this. We program it P to be at the center. You can put text align center, or let's say that my P should have a width of 200 pixels. Margin, that is auto, to be at the center. Background should be white. This is 6, reduce it to 3 if you want. Color white. No. Leave color like black. Let's check what we've done now. You can see. Okay. Margin 200 pixels. Oh. Yes. You can see the spaces here. The spaces between, so that's what's called padding to increase it. Padding. Let me use 13 pixels. So let's reduce the font if you want for 13 pixels. You can see how it looks like. But there's something. You see this place white here, white. That means this thing you need body.